This is going to change your perspective on everything they told you.
Buying a house with a mortgage is the worst thing a person can do. A mortgage is a scam. It's set up by the banking system so that the banks make a fortune.
So, with a typical 30-year fixed mortgage, often you're going to end up paying anything from 50 to 70% extra in interest alone. Okay, so for example, let me give you some real numbers to show you how this is modern day slavery for the banks. So let's say, for example, you've got a $200,000 mortgage at 4%. Okay, you're basically going to end up paying $143,700 in interest payments alone. Those numbers alone should show you the fact that this is modern day slavery, because you do not own the home, you basically own the loan over the course of that 30 years. And here's why. You stop paying for just 3 consecutive months and we'll see who really owns the deed on that home.
Here's what rich people do. They buy the home in cash and then they go and use their asset, the home, as collateral to get a line of credit. So if they buy $1 million home in cash, they can get a line of credit for $800,000, which means they have access to $800,000 anytime they need it. If they don't need it, they're paying 0 interest.
So let me tell you a story. Everybody loves a story. Well, I love a story anyway. So banking and mortgages, they basically became mainstream in the 1950s. Now, in essence, they were engineered, and sorry to sound like this, I don't mean to sound like a conspiracy theorist, but this is actually how it went down. So I can only tell you the truth. So do not shoot the messenger. Mortgages, they were engineered to gear individuals like you, individuals like me, to buy into home ownership for decades, causing a decades-long revenue stream for all of the banks out there to make revenue. So they lied to you. Assets bring in cash flow, liabilities take cash flow away from you each and every month. So you hear the thing being said, I own an asset, but do you really? Because when you look at a banking balance sheet or your personal balance sheet, your mortgage is going out on the liability column because it's not bringing in cash flow or passive income if you live in the house and you're maintaining all of the costs or the overhead for that said house. Banks basically sell you an illusion, the illusion of equity, the illusion of pride of home ownership. They basically charm their way into your pocket to get you to pay over the course of decades worth of debt. See you soon.